Hello guys, good morning. It's me again, Fatima Adnan. So, kakagising lang, kakatapos ko lang. I'm done getting shower, guys. So, I make ready myself for go downstairs. And yeah, because my coworker is not here now. She's already in downstairs. So now I need go to downstairs for a while and take my breakfast. It's so hot, guys, and yeah, just now I'm getting shower. I finished getting shower, but still hot because in outside is so much hot. Yes, and that's why. Wait. I need make ready myself. I just put some Vaseline on my toes because of now I'm done, so I'm ready to go down. Yeah. Oh, no, no sun, guys. No sun. Because last night, I think last night I don't know have rain or not because we are dito. Ilan ka? So now guys, I need to go down. So bye bye for now. Allah Hafiz. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Please support my YouTube channel and likes and share. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.